Got him. Got him. On the popper, guys. Not a big one by no means, but crushed it. Come on. Stay still, buddy. My camera was turned off on the frickin' blow up, so I had to turn it back on really quick. I should have double checked to make sure it was on, but I trusted it, but got him! Got another one, Juice! Guys, this is awesome. Not a giant, but another one. Crushed it. Thanks, buddy. On that top water. All I'm doing is casting it out there. As soon as it lands, I just let it sit for a second. Give it a pop, and I just let it sit. Pop, let it sit. With these type of top water that I'm using, a popper, you can work it fast, but most of the time you're supposed to, I shouldn't say that. Most of the time I like to fish it a little slower. I give it a pop and just let it sit. Got him! Ooh, this one feels a little nicer. Giant! Giant! Oh, it's not a giant, but it's a nice one. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Look at how he ate that, guys. Absolutely choked that top water. Yeah, I got it.
You were casting at the culvert, huh? Dead bass. Clean it off. Hello.
No, I wasn't casting at the culvert, you know. As we go down north that way.
Okay.
Yeah, it's casting right by the sand. Pop,
Okay.
pop, 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 pop. There you go.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go. Now we're gonna go.
Got him. Nah, you just didn't hit the right spot. Yep. You're losing your touch. Another one on the popper. Freaking fatty, guys. If you guys are enjoying this video, it means so much to me if you hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned because the action's only going to get even more and more better than this. Oh, come on. Ouch. Punk mother. Ouch. Pop this hook. Pop that hook. Thanks, buddy. I'm gonna go fish by that cattail bog. Because I saw some giant bass blowing out there. Go over here. Let's see if I can catch a couple. Oh yeah, right down to the spot. Guys, that was probably one of the coolest things that happened. Same spot too. Got him! Same spot, guys. Same freaking spot. Oh, frack! Popped off. But you guys see, as I'm working that slow, you took me into the weeds! I'm just using a bluegill type popper. But as I was saying, as I'm working it slow, I make this huge pop like bait fish, or like something's chasing. Got him! Like something's chasing bait fish. And then I just base. Crushed it, guys. Thanks, buddy. Yep. Got him. Wow, as soon as it landed, he took me to the weed zone. Just a little guy. Skiing him. Well, man, did he blow up on it. Chill. Chill. Man, buddy, you gotta become smarter, man. You've been caught a couple times. Thanks, though. Oh, yeah. Got another one on that popper, guys. Just a little guy, but the one before definitely made this thing look tiny. That's all I'm gonna say. The one I had before was definitely a lot bigger than this thing. This guy must have just followed that big one because that guy could not have made an explosion that big. Had to make sure my camera was still on and it didn't turn off on me. Got him, guys. Knew there was one there. Nice one. Not bad. Thanks, buddy. Wow. I am surprised I did not get more blow-ups here. It's just one of those spots where you're like, yep, you should get multiple blow-ups. Whew. That was scary. Oh yeah. I knew there was one there again. Oh, sorry, buddy. I got that on film. I watched him move out, grab it, move back in. Doinked him. There's probably another one there too. Guys, I'm just getting absolutely destroyed by these fish right now. They're absolutely imploding all over my popper, but I just can't get on them. Caught 4 of them, but battery was dead. Didn't know that. So now I'm all fixed up and all good to go. Giant! Giant! Oh man. Giant! No. Maybe. No. Oh man. Guys, what an absolute beast. Nice fish. Juice, you want to take a picture for me? Dude, you should throw your freaking hound right through this open water here, dude. They're blowing up all right there. It's just trying to get them when they're freaking.
It'll take a little bit to readjust the top water bite. They're gonna know. They're not gonna know.
Yeah, that's good. Thanks, buddy.